Hi everyone, today we'll be making German chocolate frosting fudge. What all goes into the German chocolate frosting fudge? Very easy. 2 ingredients. 1 bag 11.5-ounce milk chocolate chips, 2 cups, 1 tub 15.5-ounce Betty Crocker rich and creamy coconut pecan frosting. So let's begin. Take an 8x8 pan, I'm using a disposable one. Line it with aluminum foil, leaving some overhang so you can remove it after it's made. And it says about 2-inch overhang. I guess that looks good. Then spray the foil with nonstick cooking spray. Okay, set that aside. Take a large microwaveable bowl. Take your bag of milk chocolate chips. Put them in the microwave. Heat them for 1 minute. Spoon the frosting on top of the chocolate chips. Put that back into the microwave. Heat for 30 seconds. And stir. If it can't be stirred easily, keep heating up in 15-second increments until it can be easily stirred. So let's see how well it can be stirred. Oh yeah, this is going to be real easy here. Pour this into your prepared 8x8 pan. And smooth that out. Put that in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or until set. So I took them out of the refrigerator after about 45 minutes. If you want to, you can take another container of frosting to frost the fudge if you want to. I'm not going to, but that is an option. So all you need to do is just lift this out of the pan. I can use that pan for something else. And just pull that away. And then just cut it in 8x8 rows or however big of pieces that you want. So there they're cut. I'm just going to stick them on a plate and put them back in the refrigerator so they'll stay nice and cool. And when Dave gets home, he can do a taste test. So here is the German chocolate frosting fudge. Let's see what Dave thinks.
There's coconut in it?
Yes, it's German chocolate frosting fudge. 2 ingredients, the coconut pecan frosting and chocolate chips.
I was just fixing to ask you, there's some harder pieces of chocolate in there.
Well, it's melted. It shouldn't be hard pieces of chocolate.
Well, it's cold, so some pieces are harder. And it's not crunchy or anything, but there's a difference in the texture, probably just because it's cold. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.